Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel Toiletterian. I try to bring to your attention fragrances that are usually very good value for money. They smell good. I think at least you should do your research, try them for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So today I have another unboxing and first impression plus the update for you, and this update is for, yes, here we go now, the Lattafa. This is Lattafa Ejaazi Intensive Silver, and first thing first, this is very nice, very nice. I really enjoyed it. So this one, 100 ml, very good presentation. Huge bottle, massive, very heavy. 100 ml EDP, costs you under £20. That is amazing value for money. You cannot beat that in any way or shape. Second thing is, this is a good performer. 6 to 8 hours on my skin. If you put in t-shirt, it goes a little bit longer. This one is, I would say, is universal in terms of age. Anybody can rock it from 15 to 100. It doesn't offend anybody. It's quite crowd pleasing. Although it's got some elements that are a little bit on the mature side, but overall it's done very well and it doesn't offend almost nobody. Okay, and season, this is all year round. You can rock it anytime, anywhere, any season, any occasion, formal, informal. Very versatile. Okay, so in terms of the smell itself, so it opens up super fresh, okay, and yeah, very fresh. The second it hits your nose is super fresh. It's very uplifting. It's very citrusy. The grapefruit is big in the beginning, as the lemon plus the herbal notes. So these are the first thing it hits you: the herbal notes, the watery aspect plus the citruses. So this is the first thing hits you. So you think, okay, this is a fresh fragrance, that's it, it's done. No, this is one of those fragrances that has got a journey. So after half an hour to an hour, suddenly it changes, and it goes a little bit darker, let's go deeper. It becomes woodier, and also it becomes like a sweet chocolatey smell to it. There is a cardamom in here, which is giving it that very sensual and sexy feel. And that cardamom plus the tonka bean and plus other notes in the base, which are cedar, and also there is vanilla in here. So these combination of these, mixing it, smells like Nutella basically. Smells like chocolate spread. Very nutty and also chocolatey. So it gives a very sensual, very pretty feel, which is quite close to L'Envie de l'Homme from YSL in the dry down. But in the beginning, it opens up quite similar to Carolina Herrera CH Man Privé. Yeah, very similar to it. Yeah, when I smelled it first, I said, wow, it reminds me of that, and I still stick to it. It reminds me of something between Carolina Herrera CH, the original CH Man, the original, and also the Privé. It's like a mixture of them. But that is only for half an hour to an hour. So the mid is dominated by florals plus the cardamom plus the spices, and that gives it a very sensual feel, very chocolatey, very inviting, very nutty feel to it. The tonka bean helps that as well, because the tonka bean itself sometimes gives a nutty, earthy feel. So this one will help it as well. So overall, it's very sensual. It's very fresh in the beginning, but it becomes a little bit more deeper, more complex, and also very good for going out, for dating, for example, because it becomes similar to L'Envie de l'Homme. It won't go all the way similar, say 100% no. Probably about 70 to 80% similarity. Similar to the opening, which is similar to Carolina Herrera CH Man and CH Man Privé. I would say again about 70 to 80% in the beginning as well. So it's not a obvious copy of anything in particular, but it's like a combination which reminds you. But on its own, I don't think they went for you know, copying somebody, or at least maybe they didn't try to do that and then it came up with something like this. So overall, I highly recommend it. This is very good in terms of longevity. 6 to 8 hours on my skin. If you put it on t-shirt, it went a little bit longer. The next day I could still smell it, but it was complete skin scent. You have to dig your nose basically. So I said 6 to 8 hours is quite respectable, especially for EDP. And the sillage and the projection is very, very good for the first 2 hours. So for the first 2 hours is a big arm length projection around you, so it's quite a big bubble around you. This one is one of those that you can go a little bit heavy on the trigger because it doesn't offend anybody. I'll put around 8 sprays of this, and it was ample enough, it was strong enough, and it lasted quite well. Overall, for the money, yes, this is amazing. Highly recommend it if you like the combination of those two I mentioned, and also the notes I mentioned as well. If you like them, you will love this, okay, and you won't be disappointed. Mamma mia, very, very pretty, and it's very today, it's very modern, it's very trendy, it's very up to date basically, okay. Alright guys, let's go to today's unboxing and first impression, and this is the brand Baldessarini. Baldessarini is a subsidiary or a branch of Hugo Boss. They've been making fragrances for a maybe around 20 years or so, okay? And almost all of their fragrances are good quality. I haven't smelled anything from this brand that it says no, it doesn't work or it's not good. They always deliver. So when I saw this one, especially in the sale, I had to get it. So this one is called Baldessarini, and this is Cool Force. Baldessarini Cool Force. Very nice box, very simple, but it does the job perfectly, which is protecting the bottle. Okay, sorry about the noise. And it says on top, it says separates the men from boys. Wow, very good claiming, huh? So separates men from boys here, and it says Baldessarini, and it says Cool Force. Overall nice box, and inside is suddenly yellow, which means summer. Okay, so it's a frosted glass, which means it's going to be very, very fresh, hopefully. All right, very nice, cute. 90 ml, I think these are 90 ml. Yeah, 90 ml. This one is EDP, and it goes around 20 to 30 pounds, which is very respectable for this kind of fragrances. Okay, the cap is quite heavy and is metal. And let's go with the sprayer. Very, very good. Good sprayer, but not perfect. Okay. All right. So how is the Baldessarini Cool Force? Here we go. Ooh, fresh, summer. I told you, the frosted glass, it was the inevitable. Yeah, it was like, okay, here you are. This is how it's going to smell. This is fresh, very fresh, very citrus, quite minty. Actually, the mint is quite big. Citrus mint, woody. Little bit of sea notes, like a seaweed feel to it, like a swimming pool, seaweed, sea salt. Little bit of sea breeze. But again, it's simple, fresh. Okay, it's very good for this time of year. I've been doing fresh fragrances for the last, I don't know, a month and a half. I unboxed and reviewed many fresh fragrances because it's a season for it, and this is the continuation of that. And I'm telling you, it's fresh. It's very, very good, very uplifting. It's quite sweet. It's quite it's got that tiny bit of bubblegum feel to it, but there is no big bubblegum. Okay, tiny bit. Yeah, it is the same genre as Invictus Aqua, same genre. It's not a copy, but similar to it, which is watery, woody, fresh, sea note, seaside, aquatic, sweetness into it. Okay, so yeah, it's quite similar to that. So it's quite similar to Invictus Aqua. Again, not 100%, but very, very similar to it, or same genre, same, if you like, I'm putting it in the direction of those. Okay, Hawas, basically, yeah, I can smell, what's his name, Rasasi Hawas in here. Yeah, quite similar to Rasasi Hawas, but Rasasi Hawas is much punchier, a bit sharper. This is quite mellowed down. It's quite, laid back. But overall, for the money and for what it does, for this time of year, simple, uplifting, fresh, sweet, woody, aquatic fragrance, you cannot go wrong. Okay, I will let you know in the next video the longevity and development, things like that, but for now it's quite good. I like it, and it's very, very good for this time of year, and there's no age to it because this is universal, at least for the first impression, for the first sniff. Okay guys, if you like what I do, if you find them useful, if you find them informative, give me a thumbs up, subscribe for future videos, hit that bell button for future uploads, and also, if you can, share this video with others. This way you help me to expand my channel. I'll be very grateful. If you know any of this, if you know any other fragrances similar to this for the summer, uplifting, very good value for money, and also they smell good and they last a decent amount, put it in the comment. This way other people will read, and it will be very useful for them to do that. Thank you very much, and I'll see you later. Bye.